I'm Sarah Rondon, Director of the Domestic Violence Project. Being a part of Council for Justice means being there for our community. And this year, more than ever, our community needed us.
I don't think there's anything particularly unique about why I work for the AIDS Legal Services Project at the LA County Bar Association. After I finished college a number of years ago, I worked for a private company for 5 years. But when the opportunity arose to help people living with HIV, I jumped at the chance. I know for a fact that this project, through the selfless efforts of hundreds of volunteer attorneys, have had a direct and positive impact on literally thousands of people living with HIV and AIDS. Sometimes it's our clients and their courage and good humor who inspire me, or more often it's the volunteers.
I'm inspired by the collaboration between the 4 projects of Council for Justice. Often our clients have overlapping issues. Here at the Immigration Project, we might see a victim of domestic violence who just obtained her restraining order at the clinic, but now she's wondering if she's eligible for VAWA or a U visa. So by collaborating with the other projects and working together, I think we can be better advocates for our clients.
What inspires my work with the Veterans Legal Services Project at the LA County Bar Association's Council for Justice? When I started work with the Veterans Legal Services Project about 4 years back, I didn't have much experience or any legal experience working with veterans. But after working with so many individuals, I find it important that their stories are told and that we as attorneys can provide them with a legal framework to shape those stories and present them to the judge. Really makes a difference in so many people's lives, and I want to be able to continue helping people move forward with their life and be on the other side of their legal troubles.
Because the Domestic Violence Project is located in Los Angeles, we serve a large and diverse community. Being a part of Council for Justice means we have a large and diverse group of attorneys who are willing to donate their time to help those in our community.
Today, women living with HIV are overwhelmingly Black and brown. Black people in Los Angeles make up 20% of those living with HIV, despite being just 8% of LA County residents. Sadly, with COVID-19, we see the very same trends. So you really don't have to look far to see examples of systemic racism built into the health and fabric of our society. In providing legal services, it's so important to build trust and provide culturally competent assistance. It makes sense that clients or patients feel a stronger bond with an attorney or a doctor who looks like them. From the beginning, we've made concerted efforts to reach out to our affinity and ethnic bar associations, write articles in their newsletters, and make presentations to their executive committees so that we could build a diverse pro bono panel that serve our clients not only with competent legal services, but with the most empathy and understanding possible.
Diversity in the legal profession is important because our clients and their needs are diverse. Their needs are very different. Some are U.S. citizens trying to immigrate a family member abroad. We also have DACA students. We rely on our diverse staff and also our diverse volunteers in order to better assist the clients.
The LAC by Council for Justice projects are all currently led by women and staff of completely different backgrounds. And I think, particularly when delivering legal services, it's important that people with different viewpoints, shaped by different backgrounds, have a seat at the table and communicate, brainstorm together to really foster creative solutions. We can really learn from each other, and that can really help us deliver the best possible services that we can for our clients.